welcome to another video. In this one I'll show you how to use the sum function to sum numbers, add numbers into an Excel spreadsheet or into specific cells or the whole columns. Multiple ways to use the sum function, to use the totals also. You can combine it with something like this. So let's see how the sum function works. Okay, I have this Excel here and I will open it for you. So I have a few columns here: ID, amount, ID, task, progress, amount, and I want to make an automatic total of these fields, and I could call this a total, and you could really use the AutoSum here, the sum function. This is what I'm showing you here. First, I want to show you how to use the function manually. So you select the cell where you want to place the total and go click on the function tab there, type sum, and use the sum here, which is, you will select the range of the columns you want to summarize, to add up. It will add the numbers. And there you go, you have the total amount. This is the sum, D2 to D13. So row 2 until row 13. These numbers here. There is a better way to do this and much faster and easier. Okay, so you select all the rows plus one extra. The total will go here, and you are on the home tab here, and then go to AutoSum, and you got it. AutoSum is there. Simple. This works even if the Excel is very large and you just go to the last column here where you have the total and you click on AutoSum and sum. It will automatically make the selection. All you have to do is press enter to get this. Or if you click directly on the AutoSum button, you will still get the same thing. There is also the option to do maximum, minimum, and average if you wanted to. So this is the average of this. So it's pretty good. Now this is how you do the sum of the values from this table. And if I select all the column here, it will be at the end, I think. Yeah, it will put it at the end here on the last row in the Excel. So this is not exactly what we want, but this is pretty good here with the total there. And if you have to add new rows in this table, it should update it as long as you add the row above here, not after the total. It should be okay. It's updating automatically. That's it. It's really easy. Perfect. Save. Don't forget to save your documents. Don't forget to save documents. If this video helped you, make sure you give a like and write a comment in the comment section below telling how it helped you, how this video helped you, and if it didn't help you, why it didn't help you, what you were looking for, and how to get this information to you. And if you're looking for something for the future, let me know what future videos you want to see, and I will make them for you. Write the comment and I'll do the video for you, if I can do it for sure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more interesting videos like this one. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Help be a part of our road to 100,000 subscribers. We're almost there. A bit far, 37 now. Let's get into it. Let's see how the sum function works. Let's go. Okay, take two with the Excel tips. Okay, I'll have a bit of my coffee. These cups. For water bottles, they're okay, but for milk bottles, don't get me started on milk bottles. And that's it. This is how easy it is. And that's it. This is how easy it is to use the sum function in Microsoft Excel to get the information, totals, and to add numbers in Excel easily and with formulas dynamically. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment section below if you found this useful and what kind of videos you would like to see in the future, what kind of videos you're looking for, and what you're trying to learn. Maybe if you have any video requests, write it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to make it for you. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Don't forget.